Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a class schedule on Canva. We are here on canva.com. We're gonna click on school and then class schedule. We have different options here. I'm gonna choose this one and I'm gonna change the color. I'm going to start filling out the information. Make sure you click on the text box first. Now I'm gonna click on Elements and I'm going to insert a clip art. I want to use this image to insert my hyperlink. I'm going to show you how to insert the link. You have to click here, click on link, and you have to copy and paste. You insert the link and click on apply. Okay, now I have two more images. If you want to add more images, you have to click on Elements and then you can type the word school, for example. You will have a lot of options to choose from. Now I'm gonna show you how to download the document. You have to come up here, click on download, and make sure you choose PDF file. On PDF, your students will be able to click on the link. Okay, we have the document ready. I'm going to show you the hyperlink. You have to click here. And here is the website. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.